That was perfect. Belly kisses. My sweet baby boy. Oliver. That's my baby. Hi, big guy. You're being a booger. Are you being a booger? Very good. Very good. Very good. Where's my kisses? You are my sweet baby boy. Kisses. I love you, boy. Oliver's my baby boy. Yes. Can you get the ball, Oliver? Perfect. Perfect. What are you doing? What are you doing up there? What are you doing? Perfect. Can you get the ball, Sophia? Come see Mama. Look at Sophia. What are you doing? Hi, big guy Sophia. She's a big girl. Hi, Sophia. Hi, guys. What you doing? What are you doing? You're a good boy? You're my sweet baby boy? Are you okay? Thank you. I love you so much. You're welcome. Are you looking at Daddy's food? You're a baby boy. What are you doing? Aw, thank you, Oliver. Oh.
Computer. You can grab my exact design using the link in the description. Now once it's open, you're going to want to hit make it and
Oliver.
follow the prompts to connect your machine.
She ran right to him.
Material within design space. Step 2.
Are you being a good boy? You're my sweet baby boy. I love you so much.